What's up, guys? Andy Drifter here. I got a 30-card value pack of 2022-2023 Donruss basketball. Let's get down to business. Andrew Wiggins, Mikal Bridges, Danny Green, Patty Mills, Josh Christopher, Mike Conley, Keldon Johnson. Oh, we got something flipped backwards here. It's a thick card, too. We'll do that. Oh, you know what? I think that's just a teal. Yeah. Got to remember, each one of these fat packs has one of these teal cards. Michael Conley, all right. Franchise features, Luka, big-time disappointment. You know, they thought with the acquisition of Kyrie that it would improve their chances of winning the West, and it somewhat did the opposite. Great expectations of Mark Williams, Trae Young, Julius Randle, Victor Oladipo, DeMar DeRozan, Will Barton, Killian Hayes, Kelly Oubre, Bradley Beal, Jared Allen, Drew Holiday. Now we got some rookie cards. Vince Williams Jr. and Jake LaRavia. All right, quick little break there. Hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. I got some more uploads on the way later on today.